The first and simplest fix is to toggle Bluetooth off and on. On your phone, completely disable Bluetooth, wait 10 seconds, and re-enable it. This forces your phone to re-establish the connection. Also, ensure no other devices are interfering with the Bluetooth signal. Smartwatches or other car Bluetooth systems can sometimes cause conflicts. Incorrect app permissions are a major culprit behind phone key issues. Without proper permissions, the Tesla app can't detect your phone's presence, preventing the phone key from working. For Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Apps, select Tesla, and go to Permissions. Make sure location and Bluetooth permissions are enabled. Additionally, set location access to allow all the time for continuous detection. When prompted, select Allow all the time for location permission to ensure the app can always detect your phone's proximity. For iOS devices, open Settings, select Tesla, and verify that Bluetooth is enabled. Some users have found that granting precise location helps with more reliable phone key detection. If permissions aren't the issue, repairing is the next step. This process reestablishes the secure Bluetooth connection between your phone and the car. In the Tesla app, go to Phone Key. This is where you'll manage your phone key settings. You may need to remove the existing phone key first. This clears the old connection before setting up a new one. Then follow the on-screen instructions to add your phone as a key again. This will guide you through the repairing process. Ensure you have your key card handy, as you'll likely need it during this process to verify access. This reestablishment ensures a stable and secure Bluetooth link for your phone key functionality. Aggressive battery optimization can interfere with Bluetooth connectivity, preventing the Tesla app from maintaining a stable phone key connection. On Android, navigate to Settings, then Apps, select the Tesla app, go to Battery Settings, and choose either Unrestricted or Don't Optimize. On iOS, disable low power mode when using the Tesla app to ensure Bluetooth remains active in the background. These settings prevent the operating system from shutting down Bluetooth in the background, which is crucial for the phone key to work reliably. If the basic troubleshooting steps haven't resolved the issue, let's try some advanced solutions. First, clear the Tesla app's cache to remove any corrupted temporary data. Next, perform a complete restart of both your phone and the Tesla's touchscreen. For the touchscreen, hold down both scroll wheels until the screen goes black, then release. Ensure both the Tesla app and your phone's operating system are fully up to date. Check for updates in your App Store and phone settings to install the latest versions. Finally, disable any VPN software on your phone, as it can interfere with Bluetooth connectivity and phone key recognition. Tesla is constantly improving its phone key technology. Expect to see more AI-driven diagnostics and integration with smart home ecosystems. Experts recommend staying updated with the latest Tesla app versions and being proactive with repairing when issues arise. Remember, keeping your app and phone software updated is key to a smooth experience. If all else fails, contact Tesla support for further assistance.